Hello, my name is Dr. Dain and I am a children's dentist. In celebration of El Día de Niño, I'm going to read to you this book. It's called The Bear Ate My Sandwich. It's called The Bear Ate Your Sandwich. Checking. I hope you enjoy it. The Bear Ate Your Sandwich by Julia Sarcone Roach. I'll read the words for you. By now, I think you know what happened to your sandwich. The bear ate it, but you may not know how it happened. So let me tell you, it all started with the bear. The morning air was warm and bright when the bear stepped out of his den. He stretched and sniffed. The scent of ripe berries drifted towards him and led him to a wonderful discovery. After a berry feast, the bear curled up in the sunlight and listened to the buzzing of the bees. Before long, he was asleep. By the time the bear opened his eyes, the buzzing had become a rumbling. He was being quickly swept along like a leaf in a great river. The forest disappeared in the distance, and the high cliffs rose up around him. Once the rumbling stopped, the bear found himself in a new forest. It was like nothing he'd ever seen before. This forest had many great climbing spots. The trees were still itchy here. There was good bark for scratching, and the mud squished nicely under his feet. There were many interesting smells in this forest, but some of the tastiest ones had already been found. Leafy green smells led the bear to new fun. And this is when he saw it. There it was, your beautiful and delicious sandwich, all alone. He waited to make sure no one saw him, not even the sandwich, before he made his move. It was a great sandwich. The bear loved it. But just as he was about to finish, he heard snip, snuffle, blubber, snort behind him. He had been seen. The bear was so surprised that he ran out of the park and down the street until he spotted a very tall tree. From the top of the tree, the bear could see his horse. It was time to go home. The waves rocked the bear and he began to doze. When he opened his eyes, he heard the breeze in familiar branches and birds and bugs' evening song. Well, the bear made it home just fine. So, what happened to your sandwich? The bear ate it. I saw it. And I tried to save your sandwich. I was able to save this little piece of lettuce, very healthy here. The bear dropped it as he ran off, but I couldn't save the rest. I'm sorry I have to tell you about it this way, but now you know. Ruff, 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 ruff. To Adam, enjoy every sandwich and don't forget to brush your teeth. The bear ate